Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Today we will discuss Static GK National Questions for CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you will get the previous papers there. It would be helpful for your exam. We are having CMAT crash course which include day-wise schedule and all the important topics. The price for CMAT crash course is ₹1,999 and we are having CMAT mocks which is ₹299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's check the first question. Koli is a folk dance which is related to dash. The correct answer is B. Maharashtra. So Koli dance is most popular folk dance of the Maharashtra and Goa, and it was created by Kolis of Mumbai, and the Koli dance reflect the rhymes of the sea waves, and all of the festival of Kolis always celebrate with Koli dance. Let's check the next question. Which of the following states formation day is not on 1st November? The correct answer is C. Maharashtra. Rest all the three states having their formation day on 1st November, and Maharashtra is having the formation day on 1st May 1960. Let's check the next question. Jawaharlal Nehru Port is in which of the following states? The correct answer is A. Maharashtra. It is in Navi Mumbai, Raigad district, Maharashtra. Let's check the next question. Wankhar Butterfly Museum is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is D. Meghalaya. So it is situated in Shillong, Meghalaya, and this museum is established in 1930s. Let's check the next question. Red panda is the state animal of dash. The correct answer is C. Sikkim. So red panda is slightly larger than a domestic cat with a bear-like body. Red pandas are very skillful and acrobatic animal that predominantly stay in trees. Let's check the next question. Consider the following statement about the dance form, then identify the name of the dance form the given option. The first option is it is performed by the Mappila community of Kerala, and the second one is it is a group dance generally performed by females on the wedding day. The correct answer is B. Opana. Let's check the next question. Which of the following is called City of Festivals? The correct answer is C. Madurai. Let's check the next question. Vishwamitri River originates from which of the following states? The correct answer is D. Gujarat. It is originated from Pavgarh in the Panchmahal district of Gujarat, and it is flow mainly from the west city of the Vadodara. Let's check the next question. Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research was located in dash. The correct answer is Bengaluru. C. It provides a vibrant academic ambience hosting more than 500 researchers, and the center is an autonomous institution under Department of Science and Technology. Let's check the next question. Rani Gaidanli Museum is located in dash. The correct answer is B. Manipur. She was born on 26th January 1915 at Nangaon village in Tamenglong district of Manipur. She was a spiritual and political leader who belonged to the Rongmi tribe of Manipur. Let's check the next question. Who is the first Vice President of India? The correct answer is D. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. The first Vice President election was held in 1952. And Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was elected as the first Vice President of India. Let's check the next question. Right to education comes under which article? The correct answer is C, 21A. So, the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act or Right to Education Act is an act of the Parliament of India enacted on 4th August 2009, which describe the modalities of the importance of free and compulsory education for children between 6 and 14, which describe the importance of free and compulsory education for children between 6 to 14 in India. Let's check the next question. How many high courts are there at present in India? The correct answer is B, 25. So, there are 25 high courts in India, 6 having control over more than one state or union territory. Delhi has a high court of its own among the union territory. Each high court shall consist of a Chief Justice and such other judges as appointed by the President of India. Let's check the next question. Pandharpur is located on bank of which of the following rivers? The correct answer is C, Chandrabhaga. Let's check the next question. Which of the following Indian cities nickname is City of Castles? The correct answer is E, Kolkata. Let's check the next question. Maharaja Chhatrasal Convention Centre was inaugurated in which of the following states? The correct answer is E, Madhya Pradesh. So, Maharaja Chhatrasal Convention Centre at Khajuraho was inaugurated by Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, and Shri Prahlad Singh Patel, Minister of State of Tourism and Culture. Let's check the next question. Nepali is primarily spoken in which state? The correct answer is C, Sikkim. So, in India, Nepali has official status in the state of Sikkim and in the Darjeeling district. Let's check the next question. Which city is located on the banks of the river Narmada? The correct answer is A, Bharuch. Let's check the next question. In which city is Indian Institute of Forest Management located? The correct answer is B, Bhopal. So, the Indian Institute of Forest Management founded in 1982. Let's check the next question. Which thermal station is the largest power producer in the country? The correct answer is B, Vindhyachal Thermal Power Station. So, Vindhyachal Thermal Power Station is in Singrauli district of Madhya Pradesh. There is an installed capacity of 4760 megawatt. Is currently the biggest thermal power plant in India. Let's check the next question. Which state has the best facility of hospitals? The correct answer is C, Kerala. So, Kerala has emerged as the best state in the country in terms of healthcare performance. Let's check the next question. The decimal system of Indian currency was started in, the correct answer is C, 1957. So, the date is 1st April 1957. Let's check the next question. Which of the following naval ship has been converted into a swimming museum in India? The correct answer is D, INS Vikrant. So, INS Vikrant is being converted into a floating museum in India. IRDA was formed, sorry for the spelling mistake, it's formed under the recommendation of which committee? The correct answer is A, Malhotra Committee. Sorry for the spelling mistake, that is Malhotra, not Malihotra. Let's check the next question. Indus Water Treaty 1960 is an agreement between India and dash. The correct answer is B, Pakistan. So, Indus Water Treaty is a water distribution treaty between India and Pakistan, and it was signed on 19th September 1960 in Karachi by Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and Pakistan President Ayub Khan. Jawaharlal Nehru and Pakistan President Ayub Khan. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share and subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.